Hiccup. Hiccups for breakfast. Rise and shine, Jamie. It's the big day of your school play. Jimmy is not here. Would you like to leave a message? Speak at the beep. Time to get a move on, Jimmy. Whoosh. Jimmy who? Right. School is cancelled. It was on the news. Why so worried? What if I forget my lines, explode, or fall off the stage? Look, I've made your favorite breakfast. Oh boy, I guess I could eat one teeny bite. Munch, munch, munch. Glug, glug, glug. Hiccup. Uh-oh. Hic, hic, hic. By golly, that's monster case of hiccup. Last time you had hiccups, it lasted 2 whole days. Hic, my play will be ruined. I'm sure you'll figure out something out. The burst is here. Good luck. Hic, I'm doomed. Hiccups on the bus. Hic, Jack's Zenny? Oh no, not on the day of my big play. I'll curry you. The show must go on. Alright, Jenna, I'm the big star, and I'm in a big trouble. Hic. Attention everyone, Jamie has a hiccup and we need a cure. Hic, hic, hic. I've got an idea. Hold your breath for 6 minutes. 6? Come on, try it. Hic, hic, hic. He didn't do it right. Too bad. Totally. Drink 10 gallons of water. Close one eye and cover one ear. Spin around for 30 minutes. Pour soda on the head. Hold your tongue for an hour. Eat 100 jalapeno peppers. Say alphabet backwards. Hic, none of the hiccups could work. Hic, we're doomed. Hic, don't be silly. I've got plenty of ideas. We'll just get started. Ring, ring, ring. Come on, let's ask Mr. Big Bottom. He knows everything. He's a super genius. The Hic be gone 3000. Mr. Biggerbottom, we have a big problem. I can solve any problem. What's it? Hic, I see you need a cure for your hiccup. Only a genius can do that. Hic, luckily you're talking to one. Behold, my cabinet of curiosity. These are my greatest invention. Cool, awesome. And this is the Hic Begone 3000. The extra super fast spinning action makes hiccups fly away. Just so you know, I get car sick a lot. There's nothing to worry about. Hic, this is really weird. I feel so dizzy. My brilliant plan worked. Jimmy is cured. I see. Maybe you need a spin faster. No, that's okay. No thanks. I have a better idea. Let's ask Coach Bloch. Coach Bloch, the strongest man in school? Thank you for listening. End of part 1.